Talk about the tensions in Hong Kong because they're back again this morning. Chinese military vehicles building up near the border. Meanwhile, the airport in Hong Kong again suspending departing flights. And for the fourth consecutive session, China's central bank weakening its currency. Want to get to Eunice Yoon, who's got more on that story. Eunice.
Thanks so much, Andrew. Well, as you said, Hong Kong Airport has suspended flights going out once again. For the most part, the airport has been calm today. There were several protesters staging a sit-in once again, but the authorities had made an announcement saying that they wouldn't stand for this action. In fact, the Hong Kong leader, Carrie Lam, had a press conference in which she was asked several different questions from quite a rowdy bunch of journalists. And she reiterated the government's stance that violence would not be tolerated. Now, in terms of some of the other developments that we have on the trade front here, the U.S. soybean farmer has been under pressure, as you guys know, and it looks as though Chinese demand for soybeans globally could fall even further. In fact, some of the processors here have said that they're holding back globally because they're
China can purchase globally instead, but such a purchase will be far from enough. The buying has raised global pig prices to a relatively higher level now. To solve the problem, we have to rely on our own ability inside the Chinese system.
So many livestock feed producers are now pessimistic about the fourth quarter because of this shrinkage that they're seeing in the pig population. But there could be some upside, a possible opportunity. And that was commented on just a moment ago by the chairman of New Hope, which is one of the largest feed producers here. And that is that China is now making a greater push to try to industrialize its farming practices in a similar way that the U.S. does. So they're looking at the U.S. model and saying that perhaps this is something that we could do. In fact, the government has been rolling out more financial incentives, also providing other demands, saying that techniques and processes and investments need to be better and replicate some of what they're seeing in the U.S. in order to try to help stave off more problems because of this disease.